Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Have you noticed how hackers trace any person location? In this video, I will show you how hackers trace any person location. But this video is just for educational purposes only, so don't misuse this. So let's start today's interesting video. In this video, we are using Stormbreaker tool, so go to this repository and copy repo link. Then came on terminal and clone the repo. After, go to directory and give executable permission to all files. Then run main file throw python 3. As soon you run, you will able to see this page. Then open second terminal and start Cloudflare tunnel at localhost 2525. And if you got any problem, then you can comment on this video. I will try to reply to all. After, copy generated link and open in any browser. And here we can see all malicious links are present using this. Links hacker can hack camera, audio. Hacker can also trace location. So to trace location, copy this link and send to victim. As soon victim click on this link, we will got their live location. Here we can see we got victim's live location. So stay safe from any malicious link. And hackers can do lots of things. And that's all for today's video. I will meet you in next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe.